Hi, my name is Mo, and today we're doing an unboxing video of Ankh. Now, this is a game by Eric Lang, who is actually known for very good area control games. He is known for what is called the Mythic Trilogy. If any of you have played it, there's a bunch of games. One is called Blood Rage, it's the first one that came out. And then Rising Sun was kind of the second installment. It was not really an installment, it was a completely different game, but it was set in Japan. And Eric Lang has said that this is essentially the last of the Mythic Trilogy, and he's not planning on doing any more. And it just so happens that this last of this Mythic Trilogy of area control games happens to be set in Egypt, where you are battling with gods. Basically, this is a moment in Egypt's history and ancient Egyptian history when Egypt is moving towards monotheism. And because it's moving towards monotheism, all the ancient Egyptian gods are now vying for the devotion of the people to be remembered. And so the game is actually very thematically interesting in that you've got these ancient Egyptian gods with their various powers, and the point of the game isn't for the gods essentially to duke it out and fight each other. Rather, the point of the game is to gain devotion, to get devotion of these people so that the god is remembered. There's probably going to be another video I might make about the game itself. But Ankh, Gods of Egypt is a very interesting game. It's made by CMON, which is known for having essentially the best miniatures. I believe CMON actually stands for Cool Miniature or Not. I could be wrong, but I think I heard that somewhere. In any case, this is the Kickstarter exclusive of Ankh. So there's a whole bunch of add-ons and expansions and added gods that are over here. This right here is going to be the unboxing of the main, essentially, game. And here we go. So we've got some free content stuff from CMON over here. Oh, and I failed to mention that this over here is actually the mat or the board that you get to play on, which is shaped kind of like the Nile Delta. It's actually supposed to look exactly like the Nile Delta, but it does kind of simulate the control of Egypt or of the devotion of people. Got the rule book here, and then the scenarios. This is really great because this game is all about scenarios. You start off with a scenario. The scenario is set up in a particular way as to say, okay, you've got this god here and this god there, and it depends on whether you're playing with 3 players or 4 or 5, so the scenario book is actually going to be very interesting because you'll be able to play different scenarios. Now, we've got a whole bunch of tokens to be punched out. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that the main game here comes with these cardboard tokens, which are beautiful. Very, very nice cardboard tokens, very, very good looking. But the Kickstarter exclusive, which is in some of these boxes over here, has even nicer versions of these tokens that are kind of more plasticky and less cardboard, even though these are very, very nice. Now, let's go ahead and so once you take this out, which I believe the miniatures are in here, as you can tell, yes. So all the miniatures are in this nice little box. And then down here is where you get the, so this here is the, basically the god boards. The whole point of the god boards is that that's, whatever god you pick. So in this case, this is Amun, the hidden, right? We have Isis on the back over here. And, well, this is the back of the Isis card. But this here will show you the different Ankh powers you can unlock, what that god is known for. So this is really cool. And again, this is the one that comes with the base game. But I believe the Divine Offerings box, or whatever they call it, I think it's called Divine Offerings, is the one that has the nicer version of these cards that have actual holes that you can put your tokens in, and it's really, really neat. So the Kickstarter really kind of gives you that nice sleek look. But the cardboard that comes with these for the God Offerings is actually pretty good. Cards, this is the cards I believe here for the battle stabs, and these are the actual battle cards that you'll be using. And then let's see. Oh, this here is all about the merge god. Now this is, I'll probably talk about this in a different video, but that's probably the how to play if I make one of those. But the merge god is the interesting part of this game, in that, or at least it's the experimental part of this game, in that Eric Lang decided that he wanted to try something new, where instead of a player gets eliminated after at a certain point in the game, they actually merge. The two lowest players merge. Now it hasn't been taken very well lately. I don't know if the mechanics are wonky or what. I'm going to get into it when I play the game, but that's kind of how that works. Now let's get to the miniatures. This here. So the miniatures are really what a lot of people have been excited about, if nothing else. So these here are the miniatures. You see, these are the different warriors of the gods. And over here, you have the actual gods and the guardians. Now I see this nice scorpion guardian. Kind of reminds me of Comet, and I wonder if there's a little bit of a cheeky Comet thing here, but it looks really cool. And then of course you have the gods that come with the base game. I don't remember, don't shoot me, but I don't remember which ones are which gods are which, but you'll be able to tell when you correlate them with the actual god boards. But I mean, look at these. They're not pre-painted, they don't really come pre-painted, but they're colored in a way that makes it so that you don't even really need to paint them. So yeah, these are the different gods that come with the game. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right off the bat. And, oops, that's this little base. Here we go. Interesting, that came out of the base. All right, there we go. There we go. So yeah, these. I love the colors that come with these, and the miniatures are incredibly well detailed. And then you've got the platforms here for the gods. You've got the different tokens. These are the plastic tokens that are really nice, that you get more of in some of the other boxes for the Kickstarter exclusive. So yeah, that's pretty much the base game of Ankh. So that's an unboxing video of the base game. I'll probably go ahead and set up another unboxing video for the other ones to show the nice aspects of all of this production. Really, it's an awesome production. But I'm excited to play the game. I'm probably going to start just by playing the base game and seeing how that works. This is Eric Lang's Ankh, Gods of Egypt. Thank you.